Choosing ClearTouch is a partnership in your journey toward professional excellence. We differentiate your experience through each step of the sales process, from a proper demonstration.
Hey, I'm Steve Gallant.
My name's Tristan O'Connor.
And today I want to show you how to enable and use the permissions mode
To a smooth and intentional rollout. Upon receiving a purchase order, our logistics team processes the order and ships it from one of our warehouses in South Carolina or Nevada. We communicate product arrival dates to our implementation team, who forwards software license and requirements to the established purchase contact. If professional development is included in your purchase order, we schedule a consultation call to develop a customized course of action to ensure you receive the best quality from your investment. Our professional development workshops are hands-on and cater to various learning styles, whether in virtual or on-site settings. We've especially embraced a train-the-trainer strategy to build capacity for a lasting impact.
The training we've had has been phenomenal. We've had a wonderful trainer with us over all of the days that we've had training going on. The teachers have come back and just been so appreciative of the ideas that they're learning.
These sessions are long-term and ongoing to further ingrain attendees' understanding. Our ClearTouch professional development team is composed of former educators, so they understand the instructional flow of day-to-day classroom operations and have the ability to design programs that cater to your existing organization's configurations while meeting teachers at their current skill levels. Engaging with ClearTouch is more than just a transaction. It's a partnership in your journey towards professional excellence. Join us and let's transform the way you learn and grow.